There is nothing worse than getting your hopes up for a barbecue when you find out you run out of gas because maybe someone left it on by accident. Well, that's why I'm really excited to get this baby into the mix from No Worries. It's a gas timer, and it should definitely solve that age-old problem if someone forgets to turn off the propane or natural gas. I first saw this at a friend's house and was really impressed with the quality, and now, you know, I have one in my hand. Yeah, it's very well made, feels really solid. I picked up the 3/8 inch model because we're getting rid of the propane tank and bringing natural gas in. But this works great with propane tanks too. The timer is well labeled so you know which side to attach the gas source, and then the other side here you see it says to the grill. So they make this very easy to install. And just the timer feels really solid. You can hear it ticking away there. Personally, when you're working with propane or natural gas, you want a product that's going to hold up. And when I saw this in action, I was really impressed by it. So I'm really looking forward to getting it installed and just having peace of mind knowing that if we do leave the gas on by accident, well, this timer will have my back.